Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing Shawarma Kiosk with my friends Pancake and Lizzy. Let's find a thing to go in. Okay, we're going to teleport in here. I'm pretty sure a random person just joined us, but I think that's okay. As long as he's good and as long as he doesn't suck. Alright guys, we just got loaded in, and are you ready guys? I know we can't hear their voices because they weren't comfortable with having their voices on the platform, but that's okay, and I can assure you that they are definitely ready for this.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk.
Bro, what is with this kid's avatar? Like, why the steal a brain rot thing? Steal a brain rot is, ugh, I hate it.
Love their shawarma hot.
Alright guys, it's time for the first person. We're gonna serve the first person now. Okay, she's chopped as fuck. Okay. Holy crash out, but we're not gonna talk about that. Okay, she looks normal. Yeah, she's normal. Why is this music kind of fire? Not gonna lie. Alright guys, we're on to our next person, potential anomaly, so let's see. Okay, they look pretty normal at first glance. Yeah, I'd say they're normal. Alright guys, I probably should have done this at the beginning of the video, but it's fine. So, in case you don't know what this game is, or you've never heard of it, these are the rules, and basically for the rules, you have to, like, these are just rules about, the anomalies and stuff. You can pause the video if you want. And basically, at 2 a.m., the inspector comes on Friday, and guess what today is? Yep, you guessed it, it's Friday.
It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday.
Alright guys, let's check the cameras, because our next person is coming. Oh, we got our first anomaly. Anomaly. Excuse me, sir, why did you open that? That's quite rude, you know. There we go. Bro, he opened it again. Oh my god, he's so annoying. That's definitely an anomaly.
Got it, 300.
So I kind of always, like, wait for them to pay, and then I close the thing. Do you guys do that? Because, I mean, it's smart, because you still get the money, but, like, you don't serve them, and it still works. Freaking chopped old man, bro. Oh my god, is he slow or something? Bruh. We've only had like 2 anomalies so far. I think we're doing pretty good. He's definitely like 5 years old or something. Yes, queen. Work it, diva. I'm about to expose him. Lizzy's gonna tell him that I'm recording. Bro just walked out. That's crazy. What is he doing? Alright guys, anyway, it is almost 2 a.m. I think this person that's about to come is our last person, and then the expector's gonna show up. So I'm kind of scared for that because I don't want to get inspected and turn into shawarma meat, but, you know. Alright guys, the inspector's about to come. Oh gosh, he's here. Run! Guys, run! What? No! I swear that brain rot kid looked at the shawarma stand. I swear to God he did. Oh my God, I can't believe we lost, bro. Well, anyways, that ends the video. It's sad that we kind of got turned into shawarma meat, but that's okay. There's always next time. Let me know if you want a part 2 that we actually beat. And if you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.